How to install WPS Office in Ubuntu system. So for that, if I search for WPS, you can see no files has been in my system. So in Google, search for WPS Office download. So click on the first link, and from here you can see the dep package. So click on it. So I have already downloaded this, so I just do not need to re-download it. So this is inside my download folder. Okay, so now open my terminal, and here I need to go to home and then my username and then downloads. Now from here I need to change the permission. So I type sudo chmod +x and then WPS. Now provide the super user password. Okay, and if I type ls-la and then WPS, you can see this is executable permission. Now for installing this, type sudo dpkg-i and then WPS, hit enter. So as you can see, it started unpacking the WPS Office. So wait for a few seconds to complete. So as you can see, it's setting the WPS Office right now. Okay, now type sudo apt update. Now clear the screen. Okay, now if I search for WPS, you can see WPS Office is here. So I just need to click on agreement and click on confirm. So as you can see, it installed. Now it click on add to favorites. So from here you can directly open the WPS Office. Okay, so for the first, I am just opening the document. Sorry. I think some error may be occurred, so wait. Okay, so I just re-verify once. So open WPS Office, click on new tab. Now click on empty document. So as you can see, document is opening. Let's open another one. Let's say presentation. Let's open a blank presentation. Okay, so as you can see, document has been opened and my presentation is also open. So in presentation, if I click on designs, I may be my system resource using some very much CPU right now, maybe some for process, I think. So wait for a few seconds. Okay, right now if I type lorem, okay, no lorem is happened. Just let's search for lorem ipsum, or say Netaji Subhash bio. So this is okay. So right now if I just copy this, so just copy this and as you can see, design is also applying in our system, right? So if I click on save as, inside documents I can save by this. So let's close it, and inside documents if I paste it, yeah, I think some format issues is happened. This is very common, but if I click on save as, so it got saved. So if let's say open the documents, so this is this is the doc. I think for any updating issues there have some problem. If I type sudo apt update, yeah, so it's got open. I think this is for some type of hardware issues is happen, but it's okay. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next time.